Hello guys, welcome to my channel Any Cloud Tech, and today we are going to learn how to edit the machine. So as you know that last time we have created this machine, so you don't need to do anything much, but guys, first we need to discuss about the type. So right now if you see, let me show you some options. So this is the machine type. So you can see this machine has a type. Type is always having a kind of template in the backend. So if I select a particular type, it will allow me to have some predefined value for CPU and memory, right? So let me tell you in more depth. So go into this, and once you click on this machine, go into edit, and guys, probably you will get the correct option here. Okay, so here is the type, as we earlier discussed about this machine family, but here the type is also very important. So let's suppose in general purpose you have the generation as E2, but your type could be E2 medium. So you can see the difference. In E2 small we will get by default 2 CPU and 2 GB of memory, but in E2 dot or E2 dash medium will get 2 CPU with 4 GB of memory. So let's think if we need to select this option and we need to change the type. So we just need to click on this and go into the last depth and then click on save. It will take some time, and guys, you will be able to see the type of this machine is changed now. It will take some time in reflection. So here you can see it is reflected here. So now it is showing as 2 CPU and 4 GB of RAM, and you will get some notification here on this notification icon as well. So edit this machine, we have edited this machine, right? And this is my project name, my first project. So we did some changes, and then you can power on this machines by selecting this and click on this icon. So once you click on this, your machine will turn on, and you can see the pop-up is just came here, and you can refresh this console. Also you can see the bell icon here, where the machine is popping up for starting up, and you can see this machine is coming up. And let's just wait, and guys, green means the check is passed. So like in AWS we have two kind of checkup. When a machine is boot up, you will get two kind of checkup on every machine. Okay, so this is also a part of checkup. So when you get this green icon, that means the instance is running. Okay, it could be yellow mark or red mark or anything. So it could be a critical one, but for this green is fine. Okay, means there's no error. Okay, the machine is running. So again go into this MSTSC option, and again you can type this IP address. So guys, just for your information, last time the machine took this IP, right? Because it is informal. So the IP address is also getting changed after a reboot or after a stop or shutdown, right? So if you want to keep your machine IP, the elastic IP, or you can say the public IP as same, you need to select another option. Okay, we'll discuss about those options in the next video. For this time we just need to click on this and OK, and now you will get some options. Here you need to type the IP, and here you go. So now you will get the screen of your server. Yeah, configuring remote sessions, and then you will get connected and you will see a blue screen of your server. Yeah, okay, so the local session manager is loading your profile, and here you can also verify that you have done some changes in your profile. So guys, for the last time this server manager was taking time. This time is also taking time, but it will take less time than the earlier time because it is already loaded previously. So go into the task manager, and under in the task manager you will see in the performance area you can see the CPU and memory. So you can see the how much CPU we have and what is the utilization and total memory of how much total memory we have, right? So we have 4 GB right now, earlier we were having 2 GB. Okay, so guys, another tip, so go into this run option, type here CMD, sorry my bad, I typed CM and I forget to type D, CMD, and here again you need to type the host name to just verify that you are on the correct machine. So here you see the name, so we are on correct machine. So here you need to type the command shutdown space -s -t space 00 and then press enter. It will go into shutdown mode. Okay, so we have successfully increased or changed the machine type as per the requirement. Okay, so if you refresh this, now you will see this machine is shutting down. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, please do subscribe and like it. Thank you.